Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Lowrance model and serial so you install the correct build. Once done, make sure the unit has more than 50% battery or is plugged into stable 12V power to prevent bricking. On your computer, download the matching firmware file and extract it. Then copy the unzipped file to a freshly formatted FAT32 USB stick. This prevents file recognition issues and explains why model accuracy and power stability matter before you attempt the upgrade. Power off the Lowrance, insert the prepared USB, then power it on to trigger the installer. Some models require holding menu or pages to enter update mode. Once the unit detects the file, it will display update prompts. Follow them closely and confirm you want to install. The device will copy and apply files, sometimes rebooting multiple times. Stay patient. Interrupting this phase can corrupt firmware. If progress stalls, note any error codes shown so you can troubleshoot precisely. When the update finishes and the unit reboots, you should immediately verify the firmware version in settings about to ensure success. Once confirmed, restore or reapply any user settings from your backup. Avoid a factory reset unless persistent faults remain because it deletes waypoints and routes. If the update fails, try reformatting the USB, re-downloading the exact firmware, and repeating the process. This common fix addresses corrupted files or incompatible drives, and it's the first troubleshooting tip to attempt.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.